This is the elevator at Dick's Sporting Goods at Green Acres Commons, Valley Stream, New York. I didn't know that there's an elevator in this place. It's like, I don't know where this is at, but here it is. Installed in 2008. What? Door close button works. Escape hatch. I didn't know that this elevator. Look, I didn't know what this is. Where this is coming around. I mean, yeah, your HD premium pictures. Wow. My first elevator at Green Acres Commons at Dick's Sporting Goods. Let's take another ride. Take another spin. No Schindler logo, that's what I don't want. Again, this was installed in 2018 when this Dick's Sporting Goods opened. And this is 2,500 pounds capacity. Really awesome. Anyways, that's it.